Bread is one of the oldest and most loved foods in the world. But have you ever wondered how it's made? It all begins in vast wheat fields where golden wheat grows under the sun. Once fully mature, the wheat is harvested and transported to processing facilities. At the mill, wheat grains are cleaned and ground into fine flour. This flour becomes the foundation of every loaf of bread. Inside the bakery, flour is mixed with water, yeast, and salt. Powerful mixers combine the ingredients into soft, sticky dough. The dough is then left to rest. During this time, yeast ferments the dough, creating tiny air bubbles that make bread light and fluffy. After fermentation, the dough is divided into equal portions and shaped into loaves. Each loaf is carefully formed to ensure consistent size and texture. The shaped dough rests once more, allowing it to rise further before baking. This final rise gives bread its signature softness. Next, the loaves enter large industrial ovens. Inside, heat transforms the dough into bread, forming a golden crust and rich aroma. Once baked, the bread is cooled to set its structure. Cooling prevents moisture from being trapped inside. Finally, the finished loaves are sliced, packaged, and prepared for delivery. From farms to factories, this simple process brings fresh bread to tables around the world. That's how wheat becomes the bread we enjoy every day.